Want to use your Bluetooth earbuds with your Nintendo Switch? Here's the fastest way to connect them, no extra adapters needed. First, turn on your Switch and head to the home menu. Go to System Settings, then scroll down until you find Bluetooth Audio. Now, grab your earbuds and put them in pairing mode. Usually that means holding down the power or Bluetooth button until the light flashes. Now back on your Switch, select Pair Device, and then your earbuds should show up in the list. Click them, wait a few seconds, and boom, they're connected. Keep in mind, the Switch only supports one Bluetooth audio device at a time, and there might be a tiny bit of delay for some models, but for casual gaming, it works great. And that's it, you're ready to enjoy wireless audio on your Nintendo Switch. Quick, simple, and no cables attached. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.